one of the largest homes in this neighborhood, and also has spacious fenced backyard for your pet or gardening. It is an open floor plan, and the kitchen has a large island with beautiful granite countertops with 42 custom beechwood cabinets and ceramic tile flooring in wet areas. The den area has wood flooring along with a gas fireplace. The master bedroom is 16 by 14 and has an adjoining master bath that has 2 separate vanity areas, large tub and separate shower. The master closet is off of bath. There are 2 other bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bath between each. There is a small office space, a mudroom off of garage and laundry room. Extras include Nest AC control, tankless hot water heater, radiant barrier decking in attic, insulated garage doors west/windows, low E3 double insulated.